Welcome back to our final video in the series, Grade 10 Chemistry, a bit more practice on balancing equations. I encourage you to, number one, check out this video here. I'll put the link in the description underneath this video so you can click on it and head straight to it. So your first task is go and check that out to revise balancing equations. Check out the fun-based learning, because learning is always fun, where you get to basically do a lot of this balancing on actual program to help you out. I'd also mention that we have other sheets and so on if you've got access to the OneDrive where they're all saved. Okay, so a few things to remember. Elements such as metals are represented by their symbols. We don't write sodium, we write Na, iron is Fe, and so on. And you get to learn them. Some elements exist as diatomic molecules. They don't exist on their own. So oxygen very rarely exists on its own. It's usually always O2. Hydrogen always exists like that. Similar with nitrogen. All right, nitrogen in the air, 80% of our atmosphere is nitrogen. It exists as N2. Same with the other ones there. Chlorine, fluorine, bromine. And the states of the reactants should be included. So there's gases, liquids, solids, and things that are dissolved are aqueous, AQ. And just like I'll show there the office, magnesium and oxygen is not OMG because magnesium is Mg, so that's the Mg part which bonds with the O. Notice the metal bit comes first, the non-metal goes second. If you think about your periodic table, which is kind of like this sort of thing, remember that? You have your your non-metals over that side and your metals over that side. The metal ones are always written first, the non-metals are written last. So magnesium oxygen is not OMG, it's MgO. Few things we have a go at. Writing a balanced equation. Rusting of steel occurs. Iron reacts with oxygen gas to form solid iron oxide. Iron is Fe, reacts with oxygen gas, as we saw before. Oxygen always exists like that. Reacts to give what it tells us, Fe2O3. That is a solid. That is a gas. And obviously the steel starts off as a solid as well. All right, but it's not balanced, so you have to start balancing it. 2 oxygens there, 3 there. So you can chuck a 2 in front of him, which makes 6. So you can put a 3 in front of him. The 3, the 2. That's how I did it. Now my iron's not balanced because 2 times 2 is 4. So I need a 4 in there. That's what you need to go through. Have a crack at all of those. Pause the video, do those now. I hope you didn't just click over to the next one then and did those questions that are on that previous slide. I know you blokes. Get onto it. Go back and do those questions. Then you got this page of our Oxford textbook. Sorry, not Oxford. We've got our Jacaranda textbook. Have a look at those. That's a bit of a minimum one to have a go at. And there's a nice little formula for love for you because I know you love that stuff. All right, do those exercises. Have a look at the OneDrive for the extra tasks. I'll catch you later. Good luck for your exam.